Hello everyone. In the last tutorial, we learned about the 7 blocks of sensing. Now we are going to learn about remaining 11 blocks. So first we will go with mouse down. Now you must be familiar. If a block is in hexagon shape, it will either return true or false. It will return boolean values. So to tell how does this function, we will again go to events on when flag clicked, as we will use forever loop in controls, and we will say if else loop, and we will keep this mouse down over here. Mouse down means if we are whether we are clicking a mouse button or not. So we will again, to test this, we will again say, if we are clicking the mouse button, we will say here yes. Otherwise, we will say no. Simple program. No. So see, I'm right now I'm not clicking any mouse button. When I say, it will say no. Now if I am clicking the mouse button, it will say yes. Got it? So this mouse down will work on both the buttons, left click and right click. Similarly, we have mouse X. Mouse X is we are just telling the position of the where our mouse is, the X coordinates of mouse. See, I'm again saying, I'll just say hello, and I will put mouse X over here. So when I click, it's, can you see? It's telling the mouse position where my mouse is. Same way calls for mouse Y. It will tell the Y position, Y coordinates of the mouse. Then we have set drag mode, draggable. So what does this set drag mode do? If our sprite is, if we are able to drag our sprite, it means the draggable mode is on. And if we want to make our sprite non-draggable, then we use this non-draggable. So to demonstrate this, we need to know about game mode, because this block works in a game mode. The what we see on our screen, this is called editor mode. In here we can edit the program and we see a small block, small section where we see the action. But for the game mode, we need to click on this full screen, and this is called the game mode. Okay, so, and if we click here, we go back to our editor mode. So to demonstrate this, we will click on when flag click, set drag mode to non-draggable. It means the sprite should not move. So we will go to game mode to test this. If I click here and if I try to move my sprite, it is not going to move. And if I make it draggable and I go back again to game mode, I click on the flag, we can see we can move our sprite easily. So this loudness will tell us how loud we are speaking. To demonstrate this, again I will use event block when, and then I will go to control, So now we are looking at this loudness block. It will tell us, if we click on this checkbox, it will tell us the value of our microphone. See, if we are not talking, it will be less. And if we are talking, it will keep on increasing. Got it? Same way is the timer. Timer is used to tell us how much time our program is taking to compile. Got it? With timer, you can see how much time the program is running. If we click on reset timer, you see it will start again with 0. Okay. So now we will go for this block, which is backdrop number of stage. Can you see? Here every backdrop has a particular number. For this, the backdrop number is 2. So to demonstrate this, we will again go to events and say when flag clicked, we will use forever block, and we will say hello for 2 seconds. So now we are going to say our backdrop number for 2 seconds. So when we click, it will say our backdrop number. If we click, can you see we have a drop down? If we click on backdrop name, it will say the name. If we change the backdrop from here, suppose I took blue sky and I click, it will say blue sky. Same way, it will also say volume. If we click, the volume of our speakers is 100, it will show 100. And if we click on my variable, and we click, we don't have any value for my variable. Where can we find the value of my variable? We will go to variables, and here, suppose I am setting the value of my variable as 12. So when I click here, I will keep it here. Now if I run it, so whenever we are using in a program and any value, we can see it from like this. Okay, same way. Understood? So we can have backdrop number, name, volume, and variable. Same way we can print current year, day since 2000, username. I want you all to check these variables and try it in your program. Thank you.